As the battle for the 12th April TTAADC election approached near, the Tipra Motha Party demonstrated its organizational strength in the 17th Pekuwarjala-Janmejoynagar constituency. On Sunday, party candidate Gita Debbarma spearheaded a door-to-door campaigning with the expansion of the party's local infrastructure.
The campaign saw a significant show of unity, with several senior leaders joining the trail to bolster the candidates' momentum, including former Minister Mayor Pekuwarjala, MLA Gita Debbarma, MLA Biswajit Kolai, TWF West District Secretary Gita Debbarma, and others.
Chini Janmejoynagar, Tekai East Janmejoynagar, or Duita Bishini, Joto Chaka Dur to Dur Kalito, Joto Paran Habaito, maximum Tinis in Boroi Malaka. Kahamna chini response mani tongo tabusu garate chang hopeful mane very much hopeful, not only hopeful, very much hopeful chang applying nai tamni bagi hinkai chini na harmani sampurno babe Tipra sada fan bagi Tipra sada babe pamisiwo borni boot chang no mangno danai hambai ang thajingo na saka lukurok tabu jotesto alert nja socheton nja chang saimano chang Tipra Motha Party Tipra sani ostita rakha Nini identity, nini political rights, land rights, nini direct fund, overall chini statehood ni bagi ching andron klai tongo. Another party rono nai nedi, borni political agenda wo Tipra san hamkrai ni bagi mungsapan kare. Ontoto pokhe kok borok Roman script, ching jata 1968 ni sim movement klai pemen ni. Tabuk 2026 o thangi pojo tabuk solution klai jagya. Not only that. जों थानाय डिसेम्बर मासनि 13 तारिखआव नुखा राज्यनि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री प्रकाश जनसमावेश साका जे कक बरकके रोमान स्क्रिप्ट देवा हबेन माने जों चिनि गोबां मानता सकते बादगुइ बादग्रादि इ कक बरकनो रोमान स्क्रिप्ट रनानि अबो पर्यन्त बखानि थि हे नागजरि दंजे थाङै बर रबनो बुदनाय ओ सेन्सनो जों साइमानो ताकलाय हायनोहाय 20 থেকে 25 টা সিট ना हादै Tipra Motha Sarkar Khanan Thangi Tongo TTAADC. Karon borok joton chu borok chin bagi kaisa kok to sayano bungni political agenda mong sachin hamkrain bagi kre sudu kaisa tongo tama sabka sat sabka vikas sabka prayas sabka bishwa kintu sabka sat sabka vikas borok jang activate manu khaba kono ja kre na gram monchol thangnai di nothing is there actually nothing is there na tini byabostha kaham to na mini hospital kaham to na lama kaham to na school kaham to tam to whereas kubang school chini tabu bondongi thaka hesi develop ni kok to both hasal ni kok abon bagi Tipra Motha only Bubagrai himself chini Tipra san bagi fight khlai tongo जों joto as a Bubagrai warrior si jab जों samuk khlai tongo kajei Tipra sarok जों no choose khaige 100%.
Reported by April TTAADC, Chini, Khorang.